everyone, it's Joanne for Bramble Fox today. How are you? I'm going to be doing a quick, easy, simple 8x8 layout for my niece's little 8x8 album that I'm going to give her for Christmas this year. And I just cut a piece of pattern paper. It's got some really pretty gray stripes on it. And look at this cute photo. Oh my god, isn't she adorable? It was one of those foam places where they just make the foam and then you play in it. It's so fun, and it totally reminded me of clouds. So I'm going to use Paper Snips number 34. I will link everything that I use below. So I fussy cut a few of those, and I'm going to use a older hip kit. I think it was April 2021 maybe. So I'm sure it's sold out by now, but I'm going to put a large tag, like it would be a piece of paper going across the little teeny layout, but it's going to be a tag instead. And I'm going to put the photo over to the left a little bit, just have a little bit peeking out so I can put some stuff here like that. And then I have two tags that I'm going to place in here a little crooked. One going in one direction, one going in a different direction. Have one up higher than the other. I think I'll scooch all of this down just a little bit. Yeah, like that. And then I have some Pink Fresh Gems picked out. I'm using some Bramble Fox products from the upcoming January release. I will put pictures up and I will link everything below for you. Cute little rainbow to go along with this. And I was thinking, let's do some of those awesome clouds. Oh my goodness, I love them. Put one there. So we're definitely going to want this to come down a little bit more so it looks like, you know, clouds up in the sky, obviously. And then we'll put a yellow one on top of it, and I'll run this one off the page and cut it just a little bit, I think. Yeah, so let's make room for that up there. Okay, cute. Couple more clouds. I just think they're so adorable, and they're nice if you layer them on top of each other. Here is my title. Look at that beautiful yellow. It says Lovely Day. I'm going to put it so the lovely is on the background paper and the most of the day part is on this tag. And I'm not sure exactly what I want to do with that rainbow yet. I think right about there. I have a little ribbon that I cut out and made a bow. That's cute. And also, look at the cute Bramble Fox butterflies. Gotta have those. This will be perfect for upcoming spring Easter layouts too. I'll put one here just to mix the colors up together a little bit. So cute. And I'm going to put Pink Fresh Gems in there. I'm not sure which yellow. I have those two yellows. And we'll start adhering this down. I'll put the bottom cloud down flat, and then I will put the top cloud on a foam square. I'm not making her little album super extravagant, and I don't want it to be too dimensional because I want her to be able to carry it around. Smaller 8x8, so she doesn't have to get permission to get it out. She can just have it in her room, and it won't be too heavy for her. So let's put this one here. You get all kinds of different clouds in these paper snips, and they're very, very easy to fussy cut. You get solid white, so you could color those if you wanted to. You get stars, dots, the plaid, and then here is some more plaid, and you get hearts, all different kinds, and those clouds come in several different colors as well, which is wonderful. So you can use them with varying different collections. Okay, let's put these on here and get that done. Oops, it's stuck. Okay, so this one's going to be a touch too long, so let me just cut that. And then I'm going to put that back on there because I'll end up sticking it to my layout on accident. Okay, take the backs off that. Okay, let's get this. How did I want this? I think I want it this way. We're going to place that right there. I have that straight now. So hold it down, lift, and I'm just going to use glue for some extra adhesive, just because I don't want the ATG to come up over the years. All right, there we go. And this one looks good right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put those down before I get going too far, because then I'll move them and it won't be where I want them. That's good. I think I'll leave one of them open, or I could put a cute little enamel dot in there too in a different color. That would be really pretty, in a different way to get your tags to give your tags some flair. All right, let's get that T-square ruler back out and see exactly where we want this. Right about there. So yeah, move it over to the left just a little bit. Okay, that's good. Adorable. And let me see, I think I will put ATG on the back of this ribbon, so it tends to stay better on the fabric, I think. And I will put some glue as well, just to be safe. And we'll just place that right there. And put this right here in the corner, like that. I love these butterflies. They're so cute. Let's get this down. I'm just going to put little dots all around with the glossy accents because it's a script font, gorgeous script font, which I love. And you don't need a ton, like I said, so just little teeny dots. And we are almost there, a little teeny bit more. And let's go ahead and put this down. Again, like I said, the lovely will go above the tag, and that will mean the day is on the tag. You just have to hold it for a second, and then it's all adhered down. Perfect. Okay. Now, do I need a foam square on this? I don't think so. I think it'll be just fine without it. Put it right on the corner there. And there we go. And we can do some journaling here, or you can add additional ephemera or stickers, whatever you want to do. I'll put a little butterfly here, like that. I do love this, all cute and fluffy, because she's cute and the foam is fluffy, so that's pretty adorable. Maybe I'll put it right here. Sure, that looks good. Chipboard. I like this arrow. What I'm thinking is saying lovely day, all cute and fluffy, and then taking this arrow and like pointing towards the photo. And that has the same colors and stripes as the background paper, so I'm liking that. All right, I am all finished, and I'm going to bring this in close. See how those cute paper snip clouds, I love those. I did opt to put a puffy heart in that, and I put an enamel dot in this one. I adhered the pink Fresh Gems in 3 spots. I went with this bright yellow to match this beautiful lovely day perspective. And that could be for any type of layout. It's so pretty. Look at those butterflies. I love it. Put a couple honeybee stamped honeybee stamp gems in the middle of the perspectives. You can adhere things to your perspectives as well. That works out just fine. And there you go. Fun, quick, simple, and of course you can adjust the dimensions of everything to suit an 8.5 by 11 or a 12 by 12 layout. All right, I hope you enjoyed this fun, cute little quick layout, and I will link all the products below and the upcoming January Fox box. Thank you so much for stopping by to see me. Have a good day. Bye.